Mistplay and Givvy both let users earn rewards through mobile activities, but they work differently enough that the better choice depends on what you want from a rewards app. By the end, you'll know how Mistplay and Givvy compare, what each app focuses on, and which type of user may prefer each one. Mistplay is built around discovering and playing mobile games. The app tracks eligible game activity and rewards users for participating in supported games. If your main goal is earning while trying new mobile games, Mistplay is designed around that experience. Givvy works across a broader rewards style. The app family includes different ways to complete activities and collect rewards, depending on the specific Givvy app you use. That means your experience can vary based on which tasks are available. The biggest difference is the type of activity you want to spend time on. With Mistplay, the experience is centered around gaming. You open the app, find available games, and focus on progress inside those games. It makes more sense for someone who already spends time playing mobile games and wants a reward system connected to that habit. With Givvy, the focus is more on completing available reward activities. It may appeal more to users who prefer having different task options instead of only playing games. Another thing to compare is how each app fits your routine. A rewards app only makes sense if the activities match what you already enjoy doing. If you dislike mobile games, a gaming-focused rewards app may not feel worthwhile. If you prefer short tasks, an app with different activity options may be a better fit. Before choosing either app, check the current reward options, supported regions, payment methods, and user requirements inside the app. These details can change over time. The better app is not the one with the biggest promise. It is the one that matches the way you actually want to spend your time. Mistplay is the better match for people who want a game-focused rewards experience. Givvy may be a better match for people looking for different types of reward activities. Your next step is simple. Install the app that matches your preferred activity style, test it for a short period, and see if the available rewards and tasks fit your expectations. If this comparison helped you choose between Mistplay and Givvy, subscribe for more app guides and reward app comparisons.